Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. So today I just got in my Walmart beauty box for fall of 2024. So I'm excited to share it. Let's see what's in here. Okay. All right, friends, I'm gonna open this up, take a sneak peek. What you got here. It comes with a little pamphlet, Fall for Beauty. It tells you all the things that you could get or may have gotten. Now, I don't know if there's more than one page here. Okay, I don't see all my items on here, but some of them I see. So, okay. So the first thing I'm going to pull out here is right here. This is Carol's Daughters. This is black vanilla, and this is a moisture and hold jelly. It's for your hair. Now this, it's different. You can use it on wet, damp, dry, any kind of hair you want to hold in place. It says that it doesn't leave residue. So for, like the next day hair, it's still good. Anyway, so I'm kind of curious to try it because of that. I'm not sure, haven't heard of it, but it's a decent size little bottle here. So that's my first thing. The second thing I'm pulling out here is from Hask. It is a Keratin Smooth Deep Conditioner, and I love Hask products. I've used them before. So this, anyway, it's just a deep conditioner. I do condition my hair. I have a lot though. I do have a lot of conditioners I really like and still use because I don't do it that often. I should probably do it about once a week, but it tends to be a little bit longer than that. But anyway, I know this is a good product. There's kind of a lot in here. I mean, I think honestly, this would do like, let's probably do about six on my hair. So anyway, there's that. The next thing is just a sample here. It's from Olay. It's called, let's see here. It's a vitamin C, and it is a daily facial cleanser. So it melts, so it probably just takes off makeup. I don't know what it's about. It's just in a little thing like that. So probably enough for one, maybe two uses. So there's that. The next thing I'm pulling out is an eyeliner. Yay, this is Perfect Point Plus Lash Line. So this goes in the lash line. Now, these are becoming more and more popular. I actually used one that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. It's a Petra by Pixie. It's a lash line eyeliner, and I really liked it. So I'm excited to try this one too. So this is like a game changer for me. So anyway, I'll try it. CoverGirl, there we go. That's our fourth item. Our fifth item in here is from Degree. This is a advanced deodorant, and it is dry spray, and it's called Sexy Intrigue. So anyway, it probably smells good. I don't know. Yeah, it does smell good. Anyway, so that's always fun. I always like these travel size deodorants, and I do use aerosols, so I'm really happy with that. And my sixth and final product is from EOS, and this is a 24-hour moisture body lotion. So this is the body lotion. I'm not sure. I just used one of these, but I think it was for hands. Anyway, that's how I used it. But this is the vanilla cashmere. I'm sure it smells really good. So I do like EOS products, and so I always use lotion. So that was kind of a nice thing to get. So this fall box for $6.95, you guys, was a winner to me. So once again, the EOS body lotion, the little deodorant. I don't know why that's getting me. The CoverGirl eyeliner, the Olay cleanser, the Hask Beauty, the hair mask, and also another hair styling product right here. This was Carol's Daughter's Black Vanilla Moisture and Hold Jelly. So there we go. So there's our 6 products. I think it was a winner. What do you guys think? Do you get ice cream or not ice cream? Do you get the Walmart Beauty Box? I don't know. Anyway, it's worth it to me. It's kind of fun to get boxes. You get what? So these are quarterly. So you get 4 a year and they're only $6.95. So that's kind of fun. I do want to say today, if you're curious about my makeup, I did a makeup look before I filmed. I thought, you know, I might as well do a makeup video too. And so I used a lot of products that I got in this month's and last month's beauty boxes, but the highlight was this Moon Slice Beauty. This was a palette I got in my EyeScream Beauty box, and it's beautiful. So if you're curious about my eyes, this is what I have. I even did kind of a look. I had about 7 colors, and they're wearing down now, but I kind of did that first just to see what the colors look like, and then went ahead and put it on my eyes. So anyway, that's my fall look. Be looking for that video. This will go out before that video. So anyway, thanks for being here. I appreciate your support. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. I'm getting close. So anyway, that's it for today. Thank you. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.